But for now, when they say na prank, mona stop am. This matter not be prank. Nothing like prank, guys. People don't call me for all track. Bang, 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 bang. Alert. Share the video from one your latest updates.
My people, Vera don't give us update to say the matter when they go on for KO family not be prank. People don't they talk and they go say na prank, na prank, na prank. If na prank, how the man go come talk everything, all the information when he know about this family? Why the man go come they confirm and come they reveal so many things? Say his wife maybe by the Oyibo man when marry, maybe born for 4 men. Like which kind prank be that one? Who go use wetin dey the woman body reality they do prank like anyway? Make we listen to Vera, make he come tell us update wetin dey go on right now for KO family and the husband. Make una help me subscribe to react to Aproko. As una do so, now God na go bless una.
I dey see Osho Pramo come here. Osho Pramo. I know say my bed doesn't call you give you money. You see many of our for this, I don't make count. Why make it heaven? If they don't na give una shishi. True to this about I don't know if you talk. Now I made to buy me, I'm so expensive to an extent. Your money cannot buy my truth. There's no amount of money where they get. They can't buy my money. They can't buy my truth because I love saying it the way it is. I will have peace than your money. Or that they hate me rich. This how they collect money. Don't go go around me say, hey, see the me. I want to collect money. They talk truth. I want to collect money. Tell us matter. Oh, so proud, mom. What they swear? You want to start? Oh, please share this video. This video na cool with you. The message go the enter well. Cause once I start to relax, oh, fine, you're they blow me for you. So my people, wonder shall never end. Why it be say for this time? People know they like talk the truth. So, me Becky come. I don't hear information. Don't see reach me. You don't they call for settlement. It's good, but for now, when they say na prank, mona stop am. When I first do video, I talk and say that prank or no prank. I still talk my truth for them. Oh, mommy, good afternoon, good evening, mommy. Please, wanna share the video. I want to see love and like. Oh, wanna share this video, please. Make people call now. So, my people, this matter not be prank. Nothing like prank, guys. People don't call me for all track. Bang, 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 bang. Alert. Share the video from one your latest updates. Now, also, I may be boss lady. They don't disturb me and cause catagram. Maybe. Oh, Poroko, I know say na me you dey fear. Oh, Poroko, share this video, latest updates. I know say this matter. Na me you dey fear. Yes, it's not a prank. No, it's not. Una not see me. If she don't really finish, maybe I don't finish. Enough. Not the time they do prank. Not be every day they take the post. Una when they say na prank. Man, let me see what the British come outside though. Una when they say na prank, man, not put me bed for high depression when go to hospital for good 1 year. Me, now I know say na me. Share this video. Give me love, guys. I know say na me. She dey fear. Not fear. Not let fear finish you. I know say there are more going to fear. Please share this video, guys. Not be prank. No, man, not be prank. Oh, thank you, my love. Mommy Esther Peter. You are welcome, mommy. Not be prank. Oh, people don't call me for Austria. Later update. Share this video. I want to see love and like, guys. People don't call me from Austria, guys. Not be share this video. Una not say me, my information are genuine. And I know the reason why Okporoko they fear. Okporoko they fear. Now me be number 1 fear. In fact, my fear they won't like say tomorrow, no, they are no. Calm down. But yes, that if I they wallow you, I go the advice you know they hear. Now be the thing. You be more than no one make you buy. No be say if you buy now. If you buy, you go see pay people. You go see pay me because I be mother. I know what make you buy. You understand? Because of your children. I not be bad person. but you don't dey hear word. And you too wicked as a mother. You no good. I not say you don't dey fear. You don't go dey beg. You dey come dey, you know. Now truth or not be prank. Oh. People don't call me from Australia. Share this video. Give me love. Share it. Let more people call me. Update. People call me from Austria direct. No, not be Vienna ID. Not be Vienna Graz. Something is happening. Something they shell. My people, when you see me Bekia don't finish. This one a real life. Oh, Boroko don't read the pre-pre, oh, I beg. When they say na prank, I beg. You not be prank, oh. Not be prank. Share this video. Give me love and like. The truth is that you are too wicked. Don't show problem. Enter house. I know they lie. Where truth? The more they talk on. I know say she they fear me because all those things see for call they talk to. They share this video. Give me love, guys. I don't fair talk all of them before. When me tell una say Papa that see ya. Now the same tribe with and they believe me. But my fans believe me, oh, because I was talking with proof and evidence. When me talk say he use Bekus take by Oyibo. She be they say me they lie. Show problem come. Oh, so I know say they don't give you money. So problem enter house. I use God beg you not to change word for my mouth. Oh, so I not to say use take by amo. I not say give a point shop oh when come by. In a shitty take by Oyibo abio wanye hoa. And must I repeat myself again? One of they say I don't think keep us for bread no go sister. Let person hear word. Oh, so enter. I not say go see call you now they give you, but I be say if I start to the brief information, they bring the update where you're the shell and na that the several at start to go information that they come right from Austria, direct no Vienna, Graz. As I they talk to you, know me, I'm not the lie. But I have to say this matter, I don't want your put and call the poor body. I don't feel assure my people before. Now I make update call they first, don't they call yesterday, even today one update come. If they come every day, my WhatsApp they ring now like say tomorrow, not they say na truth to see for real go ass oh see for real go ass. Who want pity 45 years old woman when he buy for love? Who be this person? You bad oh. He take a busy now. He say one pay 45 years old woman when buy for love. I tell you what you say make at all. Not be 45 oh. She's getting to 52, 53 years. Now name when he ride. Now the age when he ride for ground for them. I be that. So let's go straight to the point and hit the nail on the head. Please share this video. Number one update. Don't they come for Graz and Vienna? As I they talk to you, Vienna, Graz update. Don't they come? The matter not be prank. Maybe don't deprepare. Maybe don't disorganize. I bet they call her. Maybe cannot be person again. The thing don't finish it back and front. They say if you see me bear now, if you see Okporoko, now go pity her. They say if you see Okporoko, the man really run leave am oh. Not be fake, not be prank oh. Not be fake, not be prank. The man run leave am. Fete. Without packing all his belongings. Share the video. I not go. I not feel call this. Although see for not be better person. Me I know if you come on and share this video now, I know they see share, I know they see love. Wanna share now. I know if you call the pity Okporoko because she not bad person, not the hear word. You understand? If person too greedy for this, like at your age, you still greedy like this. You don't feel follow man stay. And when woman too stingy, when woman too wicked, it they hard. If I were you, first one, second one, is still good for woman. You say anything don't pass 2, 3, 4. It's not good for woman again. Because only one of it will say 3, 4 men not good. Men all good pass our men now they'll see something turn and go. But women they're not going to see something, they'll say now you not good. They're not going to hear the other side. Really, now you not really good. You want to say 3, 4 people not good, now you not good. So Okporoko, come. You too like money. Official don't tell people for this social media. The way you tell love money, it no good. You know say no go fit give Osifeke document. You go tell her. Not the one you call the deceiver here. You too like deceive, you too like pretend, you too like lie. Now that made me hate you. That time when me and you get my 2022, people just say I hate you. But more you can't prove yourself. Now then people can't see points to mama you left and right. Now they say you don't depend. People when know you now for Grat and Vienna, they say your enemy, you don't finish. Update don't because say Rebecca don't finish. They say not be smart, Rebecca be the beg, make it that one not go. That one say Lala must go. Can you imagine? That one say Lala must go. Osifeka didn't go leave about my people. Share this video, give me love. Osifeka bag and leave. Osifeka not to carry load. He bag and leave Okporoko. When I turn and say, nowhere my man and woman not they get misunderstanding. So far domestic foul and BT whatever not join. But not the one be say, you just sit down, you they use a whole grown up man. Like say tomorrow no day. Say nah. You are the Osifo now, Begedoko. Shame and disgrace. Tina, my love, how you day? Long time, body. Do. When I share the video, when I share, how dirty. When I wait, they say, na prank. My dear, I beg me. I know they follow him again. Thank you, my darling. Tina. Una they say she they post every day. I bet they post very good because she una no prank when they do for Ogogo because some people get eye, they don't use until they see. Until you go carry their eye, go they show them, and they'll take for say they see something. The time that they do go prank, I mean every day they take the post. If they post whether they post, they post after they post. I beg you, she they post every day. Maybe they post every day. They be right and yes or no, because some people will not know anything. They want call the twist and a prank. Now, before we be saying a prank, not be prank oh. Nothing like prank, not be prank. They read the quarrel. You understand? They read the quarrel. You understand me? The quarrel. Thank you. Good. Thank you so much. Yes, so when they tell the truth, they say Vera enters. Vera enters. The time when they do prank of Ogogo, when they say Osifo give woman belle, una know how much they use and take cash out. They were posting bomber to bomber, but without bito, maybe don't hear when. You understand? She don't post her children prank. Hey, that one a children prank. That one but it don't be like before now, my people. Talk truth. The time when Ogogo all day. And this one, it be like before. She be that they post full everywhere. I first know say no be prank. Okay, you first know say no be prank. Okay, thank you. Share this video. Give me love and like my people. No be prank oh. Mona forget prank or no prank. No be prank. And what I want let Okporoko know. Now you can say as it be for body. For you to keep yourself, you say like I be man. Even on live video, people not saying oh see for be woman. I just want to see for call the thought today. When what they call her show proud mom. You want to see start again. Who kill man? Who buy mommy? They're not gonna put her. Amen. She not they post like that again. Thank you. Oh, better. Thank you. Better. Better. Now I say people don't call me for Vienna, for Graz. Now because I never want get say if I call and see matter day for inside matter. Yes, my people. Hello, thank you. You're welcome. Matter day for inside matter. Yes. High market. Also, let me tell you, as you don't do, you also do. If na money you want collect am. If you feel like leave, because if Osifo start to the post, maybe I go buy. Many things today about Valerie, what did they do? Many things they evil when maybe I do. If Osifo open mouth, social media go start and maybe go come, it go enter coma. I swear, I say maybe go enter coma. If na prank, they no be saying all that. Oh, not be pranking. My dear, if Osifo British act, she go enter coma, one hand, one loud. Ooh. She don't finish. I say people wait see her for this Vian, not be Vian ID. Yeah. When I don't saw those signs, I me get her. Update my people. When I hear matter. Before I see for come out, not be small thing. Really, be really, see for be real by you. Person confirm am say that when I see for talk say, if be dog by itself, they say not be lie you. They say me baby one your be one open eye. May osifeka enemy be your goal like that. Yes, because if beyond one make it read do and. The same thing when Osi forgot to say, he no one say waiting apple to the father of the children, waiting apple. May not recall apple to her. If you want do and, that one go recall by itself or that one go read by. Now what you do to Oyibo? Now what you do to Papa Dacia? When that one take not take and that one take carry car come outside go hit go get this thing, go hit tree. I never told her before say give her Otapia shop. No. If you open mouth, hell, if you open mouth, everywhere go full. Yes, Vera, it's possible to work much. Everywhere go full. Everywhere go scatter. Everywhere go scatter. As they collect people money, they collect people page, they tip people money, everything. In fact, also we know if you talk and finish for 5 to 6 months. They say punish that man, really punish Osi for her. Morocco too wicked. It's not good for her. She too wicked though. That man they see for there. Very wicked somebody. What if I'm not trying to say Papa that I see the Australia there. I talk on her. I thought she don't even marry another woman, don't even get another children. I'm not telling her. Now me see for call they thought that they say even the man. And they go for call they drag the Onyema, father of Dacia. Not only that the man already they pay benefit every month they collect. Now make you know they talk when be one kind the pikin give us sifu. Now sifu get pikin. Now say he don't talk on now. When they say na prank, I not talk on before. Also, Pramo want talk. They say, because people hear me, they social media they don't talk on before. You can take for inside. Oh, come on. Also, Pramo, come on. You know, so now so you be. Good evening, mommy. Cynthia. Good evening, mommy. Now so you be. You want come outside, I call you smart, I call you lack money. You yourself, now so I say you said don't go see man. All the money that you get for Facebook, but government money that they pay you. I'm in you. Whether na they use until they take o, whether na Finjaja they use until they take o, we don't know. Oh, where we be? Oh, so prime, where you see your body. Now so because enemy that's so. Oh God, now me. They go start on the ground yourself. May beg they fear me because the one me give us 2022. If sick. Tell us this one you come outside. He go your by itself. He get us not be when I take that type of social media again. Update from Australia. Life and direct, fresh one. I the take fight, do everything. They tell me all of them. They tell me all. Just as the day now, it don't look like who depressed. Although don't be supposed to tell us who. But at the time, me not go back. Osi for no say na ikpa oyibo. Oh no for grass. The full Austria, nobody don't know about her. Nobody tell the hide. Nobody tell about the talk. Now make una hear when she talk and say, she don't know say. Una not hear when they talk and say, she don't know say now see for you they carry. I information call they give me. Say record when they come outside when they want to do marriage when I play. Say now see for come give me. It doesn't mean pour for juju na me so your face. You know they fear me. Even though see for not the fear. But you know about that my number. Won't see for brother when they tally lucky that my number. Not so I use all of the ITC. Yes, she said so okay. Because my information I go to I said the latest one on my people. If I talk on I say I go shock. Isha, I dey lie. For Graz, for Vienna, they don't call me. They say na truth. You know if they say if he talk say na prank. I una know me now. I just see throw away updates. It no both trying. People don't call me for Austria, for Vienna, and for this thing. Not beside the lie. She don't both trying. Wait till everybody don't hear. Wait till everybody know what they go on. Make try now. Now she can use proof and evidence stay bitter. Now Rio, you enter us, so shut up your mouth. Because you have made the mistake, because you too wicked. Oh, too wicked though. No, so when they tell them that mommy hope they now, my fans they now. When I come outside, who go remember my people I beg? Who go remember the time when I take come outside? I can't tell you say maybe has a dog or not. When I can't tell now they take the maltreat Osifekia, when I say if you are here with Osifo, they pass through for them. So they maybe they start Osifo. Maybe go they throw away before inside food. Who go remember? She not expect am say Osifekia go come out to open Anyash. Thank you. She not expect am. When I got on and say even food Osifo na reminati dey for the ass. When they say Osifo na boy, but when who go remember and say if they compare Aisha when Osifo talk that day. I want to remember this. Share this video. I remember that time. Okay. I want boss the bubble. Who remember the day when I come out and I say, because they say Osifo not fit do video the way Osifo not the fit they do content. Even post Osifo not the fit they post. Because they use Osifo say they imitate Aisha. No be Aisha. Angela Wosu. Who remember? Beg. Who remember? Now that time. Who remember? They said that time fire there inside a house. If they beat Osifo every day, they punish Osifo. Yes, I remember. Thank you. So now here when Osifo talking. Say because those are they compare people. When I say fire on the mat now, say Osifo not they eat the drink water drop up again. Say this morning you use best. Nothing you feel, nothing you are not useful. Look at Angela Wosu. When I say Angela Wosu view, they give me Morocco hypertension. Bam. Now that I don't remember. Share this video. Give me love and like. I don't understand. Now me be positive. When I talk that word that time, she want faith. When I forget those pretense. Oh God. Because the mash when I can say Angela Wosu. Now I can say he go fit do it Angela Wosu they do. Shall I remember that time? Now that. He beat that man that I put. When I say she jump up because that slapu Osifekia. When I remember. Nah. That period, my people. There's some Morocco no let Osifo drink water drop up. You know they let her the rest. See if you they say if Angela wants to your post. Hey, as I was if you don't enter 200,000. Because they give Osifo the higher blood pressure, including the children, they made they do content before. Even the ASEP call me. I'll go find out whether I get the recording. I don't feel shots. Even the ASEP call me say, my sister, Maybe they threaten and make say make her do another video, make her pretend no go fit do o. When maybe talk say one bring herself come for Nigeria, say na lie no be say maybe one bring herself o. Say he call and say make he call the beg. Make back all the beg so that make people for talk say he won't forgive. When it's drug traffic, now he tell and say no go say I use again. Say don't go back to Italy. When I remember now that time, you know they say Osifeka got turn and he got turn the lower monarchy. That's more because he get value past that man. If I tell you what that man pass now when they talk nonsense say Osifo now or great if I bola wagbe, they go do na brother, they go do na son. They will do na brother, they will do na son. Not the Osifo take build that page. And when I get the matter, not time no. When they talk truth, oh, I don't understand. He used that money. He used and I say tomorrow no day. Thank you, mommy. Happiness. I don't understand. Let's go be sincere. Maybe they turn us also for that. Morocco don't finish that man. When I told you that they laugh across, you not get. Thank you. Clothes, you not get. You go the wetty balance for cotton. Go the wetty balance. Shoe self, you not get. This woman not the letter see money. When I can't tell him, I say, if you send me the lie, make it bring the documents. Make it bring the bank cards. Make it bring the hospital card. When I got on, I say, even hospital card, this brother no gets. This one a woman when he claim say marry man. Bah. Oh, they talk truth. I'm not telling everything from the right source. No, if Vera talk, Vera they lie. We don't know yet say talk. I say now free set here get back card. Whether not true to even know. I beg you, I don't feel shot. Vera, the boss said they go they talk something. All those my fans they believe me, and that is why I love my fans so much. Not be all those motherfucker. All those are people we don't brainwash with ogume with everything. I not talk here. When I say back card did not get, Osifo is not recognized in that country. Should be there Vera de la. How you take the country not get back card? Now you get back card. If you are really recognized in the country, as you claimed, you really used to do better marriage. Your name doesn't support that system since 2 years ago. Now free set your name. Now they get back card. He finished that man. When I told I said, "I'm Rebecca," they collect all the money. They believe me. My husband, he used the man. It's not a crime for man to form ugu for a woman. So okay, we date together, but that is using it, taking advantage of somebody. That is what I don't like. Don't take advantage of anybody when he free either man or woman when he free mind for you. Say he follow you. Because you don't get passports, you don't dare Australia, don't born for you, you the oppressed person. You forget that you born son. See your life now, only one son you forget. You know, you see that one guesses. In person, they do that one to your pikin. And I know people like that do evil. No documents. People like her that do evil, they never do it to their pikin. They also they want that because they cannot take what they give to people. She's the type of person, narcissist, that cannot take what they give to people. But they like to torment people, to hurt people's feelings. She's a manipulator. When I say I'm a manipulator, she can do anything for money. They believe me. She be the man that talk about. She can. I can't talk about something. Maybe Morocco fi say pikin because of money. Me matter. I say fi say pikin and for one S bet. When I call they say if he use his children do one S bet, me matter. So for me money come as I me not talk. Because if you call the talk, I don't believe. Nothing when Osifo use my touch when me another talk. Not be say that one want to now so because he get enemy don't not be truth now I talk. I me they lie. I know they lie. You need to know that you have come on for here. Who asked you? He get the mansion now. I not ask you. No sense I get us man. He get the mansion now. Depression one killer. If Osifo start to break everything we get by this way, he go enter 6 feet instantly. Then the building one shop out. They say what we need profit a man to sell is so I the thing about they made that party but call him you call me third day. I know one cut tongue. What And don't forget that parable, Abel. What will profit a man to gain the world and loses his soul? Aha! Get now! Abel, if I correct me and say yes. Eh? When you want pipe, sister, I don't get my show, I don't fit buy. They say if you don't get some, give yourself rest for mind. This money now touch and go. Nobody carry and call this life. This building when you see so now touch and go. You get that? I don't give a fuck about that. What you know this life, live a good life, enjoy your life. The one when you put for body, the clothes when you wear, everything, peace of mind, your enjoyment, now be your own. Your part today, you when they talk that rubbish, they talk about beauty. If I go part to do that beauty, poor. If I jama, even the Australia government go collect, the children say not go even see so. They play. I dey enjoy myself, big boy. And you know about beauty. Beauty, we person know the girls. I say I they cry, they want buy. You just say na lie, it's real. And if you talk na prank, I'll bring evidence when I get. Now me tell they play. If you say na lie, una know me now. If I make belay your hair, uncle, that time the pre go call increase. No concern me. As I don't want trouble for this matter, nobody find me. Nobody find me. Your number is not going. Really? Let me check. Why? It's going now. I see my number here now. Yes, even WhatsApp call, everything there. Why not? See Anna, I'm even on WhatsApp already. See Anna, I'm even on WhatsApp. You know, sir, they WhatsApp. Why not they ring? Call again, not first. Maybe I don't know say they ring. Call again. He's here with me. He's here with me. Hello. Hello. Hello, we are hearing you. Hello?
Hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon. We are hearing you.
I will know best. I also might contribute small thing because you get waiting a year. Some people they feel say this thing a prank.
Not be prank, man.
So we don't confirm from somebody where we say it relates to Osifo.
Mona here.
He say no be prank. He said because when Osifo place come up for the lady house, Osifo na here, so Osifo go somewhere side for their city there go hide.
Go hide there for
the go block and then the slap her 3 times.
Hey.
So those boys not push Osifo come outside. He go use police boys and say that they sell market. So Osifo now they fear to go prison. Now make Osifo report himself go Nigeria. And most of those houses where they form say they buy. They say that some people when they hungry, they will give them money, they will dress. Like say they're the agents. And they take the flash of those things. But you go all those
apartments. Yes, they were doing here to my brother.
Just go view like say they want rent.
Yeah, they want buy and yes, yeah, they want rent. Yes.
They don't pay you go contract like agencies. Yes. Now we see that they do be. Also, yes. People many things to talk if they time.
Yes.
So now we see that they do be that.
Hey.
You don't get any house in the buy.
Hey. Contact.
Carry 5 follow there or form say you go apartment or form like say they want buy and so now we see that they do be that so no level. I just see my contribute anyway.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you so much. Thank you, my brother. Okay now, thank you. Una de yara. No, let them say na black. Now they tell the youngster. I'm the doctor for Vienna. If they are doing what be left here. If BP go your eye. Can you imagine? Thank you. You understand? China the yara. Person too greedy for this life. He no make sense. All that swag be. He go our person go they no get rest of mind because of log. He person too get logatro for this life. Ofianwu. Omana le logatro ti be. Because he wanted that time when me he tell he say either he gain or he buy, either he make money or either make it or die trying. Where are we trying now? Where are we born? Hello, my big Bobby. Good evening, mommy. Hello, mommy.
Hello.
Hello, I'm hearing you, mommy. I'm hearing you.
Oh, sorry, my voice. I'm a little bit under the weather.
Oh, sorry, mommy.
This life is there is karma.
Yes.
Anything you do in this life, She always come back to you.
Yes.
But one thing you won't know when it will come back to you.
Bah.
See, I know maybe is evil, but Osifo, what is his name? This is just karma for him. Even if you are not with a woman, please don't abandon your kids.
Thank you.
Those children are a blessing from God.
Thank you.
See, even if no one is saying anything or you think the woman is poor, she can't do anything, she can't arrest you or she can't take you to human rights. One thing you will know, God will listen to the voice of her, the voice of your mother.
Thank you.
Because of Nebe, you abandon Emmanuel
I'm a bear cause my dad, mommy. I'm a bear cause.
You abandoned them. Even people were saying different. Maybe was saying, I'm going to bring them. 2 years ago, she was saying she was going to bring them last year.
Okay.
And we're 2023, and now it's 2024. And nothing was done about it. You see, sometimes, when you treat someone wrong, somebody else will do the same to you.
They know.
Life is like that.
Yes.
What goes around comes around. And maybe it's not a prank. I don't know why some people are very gullible. People are saying it's a prank. The things that they are saying, those things are very secretive.
If you remember, I've not said all those things before.
He talked about killing the fourth guy. Okay. He talked about that. Before they were saying he's the father of Dacia. You see, he revealed the secret that he's not the father of Dacia. Dacia's father, he did the same thing to Dacia's father. Okay, that the man even went to prison. I said it. Yes, his own tongue. How will people say those things are not prank? And may they say something too. Instead, there was a time somebody was threatening or something, calling her, but that person, she was thinking it was promise. It was not promise. It's Osifo. So all those things, she was measuring him. It means it's not a prank. Okay. She's saying something. That is Osifo that was bringing information to me. She was saying it with proof. Yes. Mommy, do you know that she said it was not what is his name? It was not promise choke. It was Osifo. That is a fact. It's not nothing like prank there. Okay. Initially, I was thinking it was a prank, but when they begin to say something and with a point, I said, no, this is not a prank. Thank you. Even when people say something that if it decides to open up, which I know, I don't need someone to tell me. Because some people are gullible or they are just who they are. They don't want to accept the truth. They will say, no, Osifo is a bad person. All those things he's saying is a lie. All the things they are doing is not a lie. There is nothing but the truth. Yes. That's just my contribution there. Everything you said about me there is coming to pass. We believe you. Everything. There is, Osifo said something too. All the time she'll be saying, love is a good thing. Don't get it twisted. Osifo said there's nothing like love in her. Okay. And you said that over and over. That people should stop their wife washing her, that she is fake. Nothing like love in this woman. That's just my own contribution. Thank you, mommy. Thank you, mommy. Well, I know when you talk that if you know your woman is washing her, you should stop your wife not to wash her. That she is fake. That nobody should listen to her. I don't understand. Who go talk and me? I'll call post one. I'll call blue evidence. Man, not try me. Man, not address a problem. On 1 year. No say updates not they had me. Updates not they had me. Oh. Update the cost is day before yesterday. Which I talk about the matter when I sit down. Not be 2-3 days ago. Now that very day. Now the update start to the come. No. It's not a prank. When the talk say, now so, he no say that record when he leak about their marriage. Say now Osifo, say now give me. No here. That one a prank. There's nothing like prank there. No. I don't know. You know the cover for them. Say na prank. No be prank. Maybe na I no get me no get the third one. But no get feel see the third one. Every man ready. Oh, no get for the third one. No good do. No go let no. If the other person a prank, I go make do very like that time. You come back side they fall your hand do. Let you if I were her and I may shut up in mouth. Me, I not to get her for live video, otherwise, if you just do this, that will not clear.
Osifo not there to console am. If you can't eat the prepare now, cassava not there. You not get peace of mind. You not get anybody who go tell and say, oh baby, stop crying. When go near and go, they see the kiss and they use body, they rub and not there. Oh. If I just give you only 2, me not cause I make my person. Now what? Titalo. Now that why you survive and be say, Osifo they beside you 1. 2 people call they support you, the funds they support you, that one call they give you hope. That time they no get call carry the matter. Buy like gala. I see wallow your I feel still as they drag me, they shall not leave you. Tell me this one where you are there, so when you don't your tourniquet wire. You don't your tourniquet, okay? Sit down, give you only 2. The next one, yes, now video you should record they do for hospital, say you do hospital. You do inside coma. I bet not provoke me. Oh. Nothing shot. Not be prank, oh. Now real facts. I go better. I'm sure. No. No, come on. Please share the video, Jare. My food, I not eat them again. Number 5 husband in advance. Okay, number 5 husband in advance. My echo better, you get brother, you get person we want give her. I see, as Osifo say if you want buy. No Osifo say if you don't already buy, so nobody will be carry. In fact, as they no go see cassava do again. I brought me, I trust them, no one want buy. No your brother. I trust you because last year all that you said about them come out to police. I know that's how why people work on the twist this matter. Really? I don't let me not talk. You get what you wait to see for talk with me not talk. You go anywhere because this attend they compare people. Now truth. Maybe because we put I don't talk about we want me go find the video. When because they use attend they I come better say for me. When God use a written they compare people. He made that man worthless. They know they do like that. And they hate women with ego. Not that women don't have ego or pride. Come on, carry your pride. Come down, you will be like a skeleton bomber. See man, they with you not happy. Go not through like that. No responsible man for this abroad go agree follow you stay the same roof with them. If you don't know me, you know. Better women then now this kind of woman and they spread the rest women away. Maybe at the end they don't call see man again. No responsible man they want to stay with grown shoe the way don't grow vision. They don't agree because of insults. And your picking that they insult at that time. They humiliate her, they throw away speak for inside food. They beat her for there. Why? Because you don't born one for because of documents. See you don't see give her. You can lie for Africa. Now you make me hate you. You can manipulate. When me they toss that manipulator say now if you see her wrong, she can lie. When me they turn her son I never know her. That when me and the saga start 2022 and say, oh God, if una know this woman, una go wrong. She be at the talk at that time. I got and I said, don't let me expose you. She got they look me like small people be this one. You know, you always underrate people. I hate people that always don't underrate anybody. Because me they so if you underrate me, when I go do you go say you know say this person be. Now they worry of Morocco. She can underrate. Don't underrate anybody. He underrate me that time the name of how this one come abroad. So they say the tenant say me never get documents. So then tomorrow say now so the tenant this one. But when I mash you go to that time you say I dey wait let the paper come. Isha, I don't understand. Woman to woman. Even though me see you are mash once now. If you too much strap I go pay. I not buy person. They talk to action woman. I not tell you, but you take. Now so you tell on direct or see for that guy where they go. Nobody go carry you. As if not where they go. Una will be men and women. Some of una, not be all, because we still have good men. If they talk, I always give advice. Some women and some men, this one will sound as a lesson to you people. When woman go tell to say another man not go carry. What man go tell to say another woman not get to one. Sister just they play, brother just they play. In a twinkle of her eye, that woman will say another man not go carry. Another man will better pass that man self. He go carry. That woman when he say another when he say the woman another man not go carry. Another man go carry. That woman, you see, it's like that. So don't direct any man or woman. If you do it to use your heart, if you don't know say the way when they behave, you know like just let him go. No use that, not gonna use that like this because the first matter, the first say I'm the boss. Boss not there here. When you do anyhow, you see any, I confirm. You get it? Now it happen to you so because all Boroko always underrate. That is the problem I have with her that time. Me and Asaga go for worse, you know go worse. Now underrate we talk say me no fit do he go cover my mouth. And I hate Reiki. I love challenge than Reiki. Challenge me and say what I fit do you. You will know what me go feel really do. Reiki me not the like and challenge me. Tell me say you not go fit. You will see whether you also not be me doing. It go shock you like DSTV. When I tell you say I go mash you hands down. You gotta say this one. I will do this. My farms. I will deal with her. Now I say you. I go finish you. Because they say na joke. I market. She every time I talk that time, everybody they say Vera talker, Vera talker. Now me tell they play. If I sit down for a matter, I'll dig your ite come outside. when she never even is sile reve that by. Never know me. As I talk to you, all the doctor from Grata and Viana. Make out of saying a proc. Me I cut through. I don't want to talk for this matter. If you see, when I tell you that day for this, I talk with. I just feel like me. I just come entertain my fans one. I not get time for live video or call the debate on it. Otherwise, if I start, this I go run. Solomon, you are welcome. Good evening. Long time there. Good evening, though. I'm fine. They wanna now, that's true. Before we come, they don't wanna. Me no wanna. He leave the children. The yaya see for leave the pikin. Me better the brew water. And then I'm okay. Say now this where the children they now for Nigeria, not be there you can't do now. When they say bad, not good, they know they listen.